Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with simple, easy and fun recipe that is chia seed pudding. If you like to watch more videos of this kind, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. In this recipe, first we will prepare milk. This is coconut milk I am going to prepare with coconut milk powder. If you have canned coconut milk or Tetra Pak coconut milk, that also is okay. I have taken nice steaming hot water, that is 2 cups of water. For that I have taken 5 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Nicely give it a good mix and prepare coconut milk without any lumps. You can make this recipe even with normal milk or any other flavor milk like chocolate milk or strawberry milk. That is your choice. Now this is our main ingredient, that is chia seeds. I have taken 5 tablespoon chia seeds for 2 cups of milk. First I have taken 3 tablespoons. Nicely give it a good mix. Then I am adding again 2 tablespoons. Totally I added 5 tablespoons of chia seeds. For 2 cups 5 tablespoons, for me it was nice thick consistency. You can see after 1 hour this is the way it will look. You have to give stir in between for every 15 to 20 minutes so that it will evenly be soaked. Now I am adding sugar. If you are low carb recipe follower, you can also use erythritol, rittatol, monk fruit, any kind of sweetener, or simply even milk maid is okay. This way mix it and keep it in fridge. Overnight is best. I have taken mangoes. Mangoes are already sweet. That's why I have taken very little sugar. Again use any sweetener of your choice and make mango puree. For rest of the mangoes, I will cut them into cubes and use them. You can use any seasonal fruit. Today I am using mango and strawberry. You can also use avocados or even kiwi, or simply bananas will also be very tasty in this recipe. Like how we prepared mango sauce, like that same way we will be preparing even strawberry sauce. Just add little bit of sugar and you can grind it in the mixer. You will get strawberry sauce. These are use and throw cups I bought from Dollarama or Dollar Shop. You will get very different variety of these kind of cups. Those are really very beautiful. Otherwise you can also use any transparent glass in your house available. Now you can see how I am layering them. You have to just give 1 layer of fruit, 1 layer of chia seeds and 1 layer of strawberry or mango sauce. This way you can make different combinations. I will show all possible combination with these few ingredients. It's a great recipe for all low carb recipe following people, as well as for this summer in pool parties or summer parties. You can make this recipe very refreshing and very delicious and tasty, as well as very healthy too. You can see it is fully loaded up with lots of fruits and also chia seeds. I don't need to tell the value of chia seeds. It is super healthy and very delicious. Homemade is always the best. I'm sure everybody will try this recipe and you will love it. Soon I will be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.